Once there was a fish, a happy fish, who swam in the wide open sea. He was a special fish, for this fish had wings. He spread them wide and dreamed he was a bird. The other fish whispered among themselves, "What is that? He's strange. He's not one of us. Go away," they said. "All right," said the fish, and he swam upward to the sky. He entered the open air, heard the wind, and felt the clouds brush against him. He flew with the birds. But the birds looked at him and said, "What's a fish doing here?" And an old bird said to him, "Fly away, you don't belong here." So the fish returned to the sea. He was afraid to dive deep. Since then, he swims along the seam between the sea and the sky, remembering the wind and longing for the water. Maybe one day there will be room for everyone, for the fish, the bird, and anyone in between.